So we got the intake boot off. So we can just troubleshoot the heater by itself. Intake boots off, exhaust boots off. We went ahead and retorqued the blower housing. All the electronics, everything's put together except for the intake and the exhaust. We just finished diagnostics. We're just gonna test to see if the combination blower and the igniter element kicks on with the gas relays. This is my main concern, is the pressure switch. Blower housing was loose. There was escaping air through the gasket. We went ahead and torqued it back down. Gasket's in decent shape. So a loose gasket on the housing does not do any good. It has to maintain vacuum with these hoses. Man, it's scary, man. This thing went through diagnostics and it's already over 15 seconds ago. All the ground's put back together, igniters put back together. And that is a long delay. There we go. Lower. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. It's taking forever to start. It's probably gonna go through diagnosis again because we had it unplugged. Just give it some time.
Pause it.